Samsung has officially confirmed that the Galaxy M47 5G will launch soon in India. The teaser shows the Samsung Galaxy M47 5G with a matte red/maroon rear panel paired with a black frame. Samsung Galaxy M47 has now surfaced on Geekbench, revealing key hardware details ahead of launch. The Geekbench listing shows the phone carrying the model number SM476B. The benchmark confirms that the device will be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 chipset. The Galaxy M47 in testing has 8 GB of RAM and Android 16 out of the box. Reports suggest the Galaxy M47 could feature a Super AMOLED display, 5G connectivity, and a large battery capacity. Features a 6.58-inch Full HD Plus LCD, a 50-megapixel triple rear camera setup, an 8-megapixel selfie camera, and a 5000 mAh battery. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.